Welcome back to our channel. I'm that arty mum, Danielle, and here we create and share art-inspired ideas and activities to do with toddlers and preschoolers. Lately, my little ones have been obsessed with checking the letterbox and have turned it into a game. Rather than playing out on the street all day, I thought it would be fun to buy them their own little toy letterbox, but when browsing online I found that they can be a little bit pricey. So for today's activity, we're going to be making our own DIY toy letterbox. So let's get started. For today's activity, we need cardboard, scissors, packaging tape, newspaper, PVA glue, water, brushes and sponges, and acrylic paint. To make our DIY letterbox, I chose to upcycle our fruit and veggie cartons from our farmer's box delivery that week. First up, I made the post of our letterbox by cutting down one of the boxes and folding it lengthways into 4 equal sections so that it made a long skinny box. I then scored and folded the edges at the bottom so it would stand up. Next, I made another smaller skinny box for the actual mailbox and cut and taped on a front, cutting out a narrow slit to put the mail through. On the back of the letterbox, I made the flap by attaching the back piece of cardboard only at the top with packaging tape on the inside and outside to make it as secure as possible. I also cut out a small hole to use to open and shut it. Next, I took a rectangle piece of cardboard and folded it in half, and then opened and taped each side to the top of my mailbox to make the roof. It was then time to tape the mailbox to the post, and then I taped the post to another flat sheet of cardboard to help it stand up. Next, it was time to add the paper mache, so I mixed up my paste using 1 part glue to 2 parts water. I then covered the whole project in the paper mache and left it to dry overnight. The next day we applied a coat of gesso to prime it ready to paint. You don't have to use gesso to prime it, any white acrylic paint will do, we just have a lot of gesso lying around here. Once the gesso had dried, it was time to paint. The kids loved getting involved with this one, so it was a good idea to paint outside. It was really special for them to have a toy that they helped make themselves. Once we had finished painting, here was the final result. To finish off, I cut out some pretend letters out of the leftover cardboard and the kids were away. Hours of endless joy to be had. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, we'd love for you to like and hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.